Happy Tuesday, guys. Today is May the 27th. We are out here in Snellville, Georgia. This is a client. They're actually on vacation. They gave me access to the house while they're on vacation for the week. We're going to be doing it. We are about to start a screen and recoat with color correction and also UV cure. The movers, he wanted me to handle the whole project, so I actually had to meet the movers here to let them in to move the furniture. I also have two of my students. They're a husband and wife team. They run a cleaning company, and they're here to learn screening, recoating, color corrections, and things like that. So what we're going to be doing, guys, is a little bit close to 1,200 square feet. Again, screen and recoat, wood floors, color correction with UV cure. I also did a little demo while the movers were moving the furniture. We cleaned and polished the island countertops to show my client how good I can get those countertops looking. So anyway, guys, this week is extremely busy. We got a few days we're doing 2 jobs per day, like tomorrow, Friday, and also Saturday. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we're doing today. Hey guys, so I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. My youngest graduated yesterday on Memorial Day. So again, we are out here. Also, they had a kid that graduated. So we're out here in Snellville. The guys are here moving the furniture. All right, so let me show you what we got going today. All right, so there's the guys moving the furniture out. This is why I tell people to pay professional movers. There's Christian and one of his guys. This is Christian. He moves about 90% of my clients. All right. So they're putting all the furniture in the garage. Lots of furniture, heavy furniture. So what we're doing today, guys. Now first, look at this, guys. Look at that. So look at this and look over there. Look how dull it looks. And look at this right here. So we did this for my client to show him the difference. And he has a lot of granite here, over there, and also right here. So not a lot, but that is a nice. All right, so we're gonna be doing these floors. We got the kitchen. There's one of my students. That's Miss Tanya. She's the wife. They run a cleaning company. So we're gonna be doing all of this. All of this. There's Tavares screening the stairs. All of this. They've already got the furniture moved from here and then over here. We just tape these up right here on the wall to get them out the way. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Get some great footage. Teach my students something. We're literally like 2 minutes from the shop. All right, I'm sorry, not 2 minutes, 20 minutes from the shop. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm doing a little color correction technique. I was teaching my students, you see right here, that's the soft grain. The soft grain is easily to be able to come out of the floors if they're not properly sealed. Then the hard grain. So right here is hard grain, that's soft grain. So what I'm doing is the color correction. You cannot replace grain, but what we can do is add color to it and camouflage it before we put down the coatings, and then the coating will fill it in, but it's not going to replace the grain. So what I'm going to do, you see right here, all right, I'm going to do some color correction and come back and show you the difference. All right, guys, you see the difference? Stay tuned. All right, see how you cannot see that missing grain anymore? All I did was camouflage it, all right, before we get the coating down. All right, guys. We got the coating going down. Are you good, David? Got a great screen on this floor, as you can see. We already got this floor, we didn't have a lot of finish on it. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. I'm going to roll some. I'm going to let David get the rest. Then we're going to run off to lunch. Come back, get the rest. All right, guys. Stay tuned. All right. Thank you. All right, guys. We just got back from lunch. Man, look at these floors now. Mr. David and Miss LaTanya, they're even blown away with the results. Oh yeah, that looks so good. So guys, I remember this area right here, this high traffic area was really worn. Dining room. All right, so we're about to put the rag coat down. Living room. Oh, this floor looks so much better. Really high traffic area right here. All right, kitchen. Oh yeah, this looks so good. All right, guys. We'll go ahead and get the rag coat down, and then stay tuned for the UV cure. All right, guys, look at these floors now. They're about to get UV cured. Man, this floor came out amazing. If you remember before we started, how all this was just super worn. Look how good this looks now, guys. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so Christian and them are actually back, ready to move the furniture back. So let me get this floor UV cured. Clients come back home to beautiful, finished, UV cured floors, like nothing even happened. But something did happen. Wow, this looks so good. This looks so good. Beautiful. Also did that island countertop for them. It just feels so smooth. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're wrapping this job up. My client just made the payment, and the movers are moving the furniture back. Again, this is the benefit of the UV cure. You don't have to wait 4 or 5 days to put the furniture back, because it is instantly cured. My client, I sent him some pictures. He loved the results, so he's going to give me a shout out on the neighborhood page, where I get a lot of leads from. People recommend me a lot. So guys, let's go ahead and show you what's going on. I want to kick off my shoes, but these floors were screen recoated with color correction. As you can see, my network partner Christian is putting the furniture back. Wow, guys, this is amazing. Got all the furniture going back. Floors look amazing. Break these for you real quick. All right, guys. So furniture's going back. Able to move the furniture on the floor same day, as you can see. Not scratching the floor. Table's going back. And also, he's going to have me come back and do the rest of the countertops, because I did this island as a demo. You see the difference? See how it looks dull? See how it has no shine over here? And look right there. Beautiful. All right, guys. My guys said they'll be done in about 15 minutes. We have 2 projects tomorrow. We have a wax removal in the morning of luxury vinyl plank floors, and then we also have a screen and recoat with UV cure for a house that's going on the market to rent. And they was also referred to me by a neighbor in the neighborhood that I did their floors 3 weeks ago. All right, guys, thanks for watching.